Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well. Today we will study English grammar, chapter 16, topic adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which tells us more about a verb. And there are some verbs and adjectives which turn into adverbs by simply adding ly to them. Now let us read the following sentences to understand more about adverbs. Number 1. The sun is shining brightly. Number 2. The bird sings sweetly. Number 3. The tortoise is moving slowly. And number 4. It is raining heavily. So from the given sentences, and particularly the words brightly, sweetly, slowly, heavily, add something to the meaning of the verbs shining, sings, moving, and raining. Such words are called adverbs. Now let us study kinds of adverbs. Number 1, adverbs of place. And number 2, adverbs of time. The first one is adverbs of place. Some adverbs tells us where the action took place. These adverbs are called adverbs of place. For example, the kite is flying up in the sky. The dog is sitting outside the kennel. Now the second kinds of adverbs is adverbs of time. Some adverbs tells us how the action takes place. These adverbs are called adverbs of time. For example, it is raining today. He is waking up early. So dear students, from the chapter we have learned that an adverb is a word which describes or tells us more about a verb and adjectives. We also learn two kinds of adverbs. They are adverbs of place and adverbs of time. That's all for today's class. Hope you understood the lesson on adverb. Thank you.